Yo, what up guys, welcome to today's video. Today I'm gonna play Burnout. It was one of the famous epic game in 1990s and 2000. So let's get started. Let's see how many cars we're gonna crash. Alrighty. Okay, it's pretty fast. Whoa, okay. Started the first takedown. Here goes the second. Let's keep this momentum. 3. Ah, cool. Oh man. Crap, man. Okay. Oh, that bursted. We still have chance. Still have chance. Yeah. Come on, man. Stop shunting. I gotta play it cool. There you go. Yeah. Bro, don't do that with me. Yeah, baby. Yeah, man. This is how we do it. We got 9 takedowns. Freakmans from behind. Really? Okay, we still have time. Let's boost up this thing. That's crazy nitro, man. Yeah, baby. Let's aim for more, aim for more, aim for more. Yeah. That's a good count. 12. Oh, crap. Alright. Let's keep going. Let's keep freaking going. Great, great. It's 2 in a row. Okay, that was ours. Okay, okie dokie. Let's try for more. Taken out from behind? Really? Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, buddy. Right. Alrighty, guys, we have 14 takedowns, and you can see the results. Let me know if you like this video. I'm gonna see you in the next one. Thank you. Bye bye.